Welcome to Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan. Long O spelling patterns. When you see a line above the letter O, that indicates that it makes the long O sound, O. There are 5 ways to make the long O sound. O, OA, OW, OE, and O consonant E. That's a lot of ways. Let's take a closer look. We'll start with just O. No and go both use just O to make the long O sound. It is common for little words ending in a vowel to make that long vowel sound. Tomato also uses just O, as does cold and hero. Here's some more. Also, trophy, ago, pony, so, gold, piano, oval, both, over, Lego, and photo all use just O to make the long O sound. Let's look at another way to make the long O sound. OA is a popular way to spell the long O sound. We see it in words like coat uses OA, goal, boat uses OA, as does soap, and float uses OA. Here's some more. Oat, toad, gloat, loan, goat, coast, coach, road, throat, and toast all use OA to make the long O sound. Let's look at another way to make the long O sound. OW. Some words use the spelling pattern OW to make the long O sound. Snow uses OW, as does crow. Yellow uses OW. And bow, like a present, or a bow like for your hair, and a bow like a bow and arrow, uses OW to make the long O sound in the word bow. But beware, because the word BOW can be pronounced 2 different ways. It can also be pronounced bow, like take a bow after the performance. That's because OW makes 2 different sounds. It can say O, like in bow, or ow, like in bow. So it's a tricky pattern to watch out for. Here are some words that use OW to make the long O sound. Know, show, blow, low, slow, follow, grow, bowl, own, row, throw. They use OW to make the long O sound. But remember, OW can also say ow. Let's look at another way to make the long O sound. A few words use OE to make the long O sound. It's not a very popular spelling pattern. Toe uses OE, and doe, like a female deer, uses OE, as does Joe, like a name, aloe, and goes. But OE side by side is not a very popular spelling pattern. Let's look at another spelling pattern that's a bit more popular. And that is O consonant E, also known as magic E, silent E, or bossy E. So if you see this spelling pattern, it might be called any of those names. Phone uses magic E, silent E, or bossy E. Nose uses this popular spelling pattern, as does home, and cone uses O consonant E, or magic E, silent E, or bossy E. It's a pretty popular pattern. Let's look at some more words. Those, rose, close, broke, stone, spoke, rope, wrote, note, whole like a hole in the ground, and whole like the whole thing. All these words use the magic silent or bossy E or O consonant E to make the long O sound. Now you know the 5 spelling patterns that can make the long O sound. Just O, OA, OW, OE, or magic E, silent E, bossy E, or O consonant E. All of these spelling patterns can make the long O sound. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And as always, thanks for watching Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan.